Dear students, today in this video I am going to talk about physical quality of life. The objective of economic development is to improve the standard of living of the people. If development does not improve the standard of living of the people, in real sense it cannot be called as development, and therefore physical quality of life index as an indicator is accepted. But before moving to physical quality of life index, let us understand what is physical quality of life. Quality of life depends upon the different types of goods and services that a person consumes. A person is generally consuming food, fuel, and other non-durable goods. Similarly, it depends upon the consumption of durable as well as semi-durable goods. Not only goods, even the consumption of services made by a person or a group of people during a period of time determines the physical quality of life. Thus, we may say consumption or living standard determines the physical quality of life. If living standard of people goes up, it can be said that physical quality of life has also gone up. Now, what is physical quality of life? So, the composition of goods and services consumed by an individual during a period of 1 year determines the physical quality of life. That means here the quality of human life will depend upon what kind of goods and services is consumed by a person, and again that is related to a period of 1 year. Now, there are various determinants which are included in the list of these goods and services. Say for example, the first one, that is food. Food here means the food taken by a person. What amount of calories, proteins or fats are consumed by a person by the food that is taken by a person. Second one, that is health and medical services. This refers to the number of doctors available to the total population. Third one, that is housing and clothing. This refers to number of houses and average number of people which are living in each house. Fourth one, that is education and entertainment. Here it refers to percentage of population who are able to obtain primary as well as secondary education. Not only education but TV, theatre are also a part of entertainment. Next one, that is transport, communication and information services. Here it refers to the extent of road as well as railway lines. Also it refers to number of telephones available per person. Next one, that is energy. So it refers to per person energy consumption. Next one, that is population having access to pure drinking water. See, water is again one of the basic requirements. So what population is having access to pure drinking water? Next one, that is average life expectancy, which refers to the expectation regarding life when a child is born. Next one, that is infant mortality rate. So it means that number of infants who will die before completing their 1 year of age out of total 1000 children born in a year. And last one, that is drainage facility. If there is an improvement in these above aspects, then it can be said that there is an improvement in the physical quality of human life. Even developed countries now give greater importance for the improvement in physical quality of life.